Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Binance account. First of all, log into your personal Binance account and mouse over the profile icon, click account, then go to identification. After that, click get verified. Then select your country of residence. Enter your personal information and click continue. After that, you will need to verify your ID documents. You can take a photo with your phone camera or upload photos. Choose an option and click continue. You will need to complete a liveness check. Follow the instructions to take a video of yourself. Binance will review your data in a timely manner. Once your application has been verified, they will send you a notification. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.